Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. For those who are wondering for a long time now if they could use Cloud Code for mobile, yup, it's finally here. You could use Cloud Code now on mobile, and in this video I'll show you how. So first of all, you need to go to cloud.com and basically choose mobile. So go to download and choose the mobile section. Now pick. Either you are an iPhone or an Android user. So simply choose one of them. Either one you choose is gonna give you this website, as you can see here. So you're gonna be taken to this page right over here. What to do next? Simply just click on share, and this will give you the opportunity to copy the link and share it to your phone. Or the same thing goes for your cloud by Anthropic on Android. So share and share it to your phone by WhatsApp or email, and then copy the link. The next step that comes to mind is to go ahead and download the application through your phone. So grab your phones and click on the link that you shared to yourselves, or you can literally just go do it manually by going to either Google Play or App Store, depending on your device, and download the application by searching for it in the search menu. So once you have it there, click on download, let it install on your phone, and then you need to create an account if you don't have one already. So make sure to go back to your PC, create an account through here, go to login, and then choose to log in through either your Apple account or Google account, etc. And once you have done it through PC, then you can go back to your phone and then use those credentials that you've used through PC to log into your mobile accounts. So that's pretty much it. Now you can use Cloud Code to complete your sessions throughout your phone. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.